replacing oil furnace, hot water, electric, and oil. So in the summertime my oil furnace would remain off, and I would run my hot water off electricity. But before it was oil to heat up my hot water and oil to heat up the house for heat. So in winter time I would just use this to heat up the house, and I converted electricity for hot water in the summertime, so this furnace stays off throughout the summer. Right now it's gonna have gas furnace installed on that wall right there, and I'll keep you updated. I cut a few pipes off. I'll be removing all this piping and fittings together with the furnace. All that's gonna come out by the end of the day. Right now it's just draining all the water from the radiators, so we'll go from there. Okay, so update on this new system. It's all installed. Just needs a little cleaning up and painting all these walls, but that's it. So everything is connected. It's really easy. I mean, you don't have to. You can turn it on and off, reset, do a couple other things there. But to adjust the temperature for your hot water, you go up or down, and that's PSI and temperature. So it's zone 1, which I only have one zone connected so far, and everything else is connected and on. Gas was open today, so far so good. I'll see when I run multiple showers and you know how the water holds, but I might be adjusting the temperature a little bit hotter. Right now it's 110, so I think that should be okay for now. So that's it. That's the new system right there.